Hi Eric, this is just a quick video to let you see sort of what Kim was doing in her class, just so that you have an idea. Plus, I'll point you out to some of the other resources that I know that she was using regularly, so that when you're covering her class, you can kind of see where they've been and where they're at. So basically, she's just using the Desire to Learn platform. So the URL's up the top. There should be a quick link off the Moira homepage as well, because I know a number of teachers there are using it. Username, just the front end of your email. Your password is your employee ID, and then you just click login. Once you've logged in, you're going to see a couple of things. So one, under student, is this teachers click to learn more about blended learning. So there's a whole bunch of sort of provincial updates that happen there, that you can keep track of, sort of new integrations. I know you're a math guy, so there's some stuff around gizmos and homework help and that sort of thing that you might be interested in if you come into the news and have a look around there. And sometimes there's videos posted on things that you can do. So it's just sort of a good spot to find out more information about the sort of provincial perspective. If you come back over and click on teacher, what I've done is just put you inside of Kim's class. So if you click on that, she actually requested a few specific things. So she wanted the grade 1 to 5 carousels, just because she found she had students working at all different levels. So she could pull up these interactive activities. So essentially the carousels are set up all the same. And in them you'll find the different strands: language, math, science tech, social science. You just basically click on the area that you're interested in, and then you can find a number of interactive activities and things that you can do with the students. You may want to check and see with the students what things they've already done. So that's one of the things that she was using. The other piece that she was using, she had said that she had language this semester. So again, she requested the grade 5 through 8 language, and then some 7-8 careers stuff. So likely you're experienced with the OERB with your math background. But basically, it's the same type of thing. The activities are set up, in that general fashion: overview, content, assignment. So you can sort of move your way around there. You can print off different assignments or have the students log in and do activities. Kim didn't tend to have her students log in, so I don't know what the process was for that, but they're not on the class list right now. So if you do want to have the students actually actively logging in, you can do that, or she may have been facilitating it in a different way. So that's just something to be aware of. If you do want them added, we just need to grab their I just need a list of their names to add in, just because of all the K course codes. They aren't tracking perfectly from Maplewood. So if we go back, the other thing that I know she was doing quite a bit of was using some of these resources here. So BookFlix is sort of a grade 1 to 3, interactive books, movies, that sort of thing. Usually there's a nonfiction and a fiction example with it. TrueFlix, I think actually Kim used that more. Kathy tended to go with the BookFlix, but it's a 3 to 6 resource, same type of thing. So you've got interactive books, so the different areas. There's also direct links into the OERB for students, so you could look up different activities, different subject areas, things that you're looking for. Links to National Film Board. There's direct links into gizmos. That probably would be of interest to a math guy. Direct links into Britannica, the information for bit strips, that sort of thing. So if you come down and you actually hover over the teacher pieces, I probably shouldn't do that for a YouTube video, but if you hover over the teacher pieces, you'll actually get some of the login details that you need. Now I know she was also using Learn 360 quite a bit. And I can provide you with that password in the email as well. And you can directly link these into your course as well if you don't want to be looking and searching for them each time. But basically, there's a whole bunch of different movies and things that you can use. And I know that some of the social skills and life skills that she was building with the students, she was looking at doing, looking up certain things. I don't know, like health or, like cooking. You can kind of search everything and then see what sort of pops up on the left once you've searched it. There will be sort of a more specific list of activities that come up, whether you're looking for something science and tech or language, blah, 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 all that sort of thing. And then you can actually look and see if there's teacher resources with them. Oftentimes there's like a PDF file or something that goes with it. And as long as you're logged in as a teacher, you can actually download this. So depending on the device that you're on, you can flip between Flash and QuickTime. Just to make sure that it works. So an important thing to kind of look around is this teacher resource area. Let me think, what else was she working around? Those were sort of her big ones. This one's kind of cool right here. It's Passport to the Internet. I just find sometimes it loads a little slow. But basically there's junior and senior, and it takes the students, they get to pick an avatar, and then it takes them through a few different scenarios that they can start to think about internet safety and that sort of thing. So hopefully that can get you started with a little bit of stuff. The OFIA website might have some good stuff as well too. And if you'd like me to stop by the school, just let me know and I can pop over. But for now, you should be able to log in and get started and see some of the things that she'd been fiddling with. You can also actually, I should tell you, up here, all elementary. This is sort of all the stuff that exists sort of at that younger age, but you also might be interested in maybe there's like a GLS course. There's some other stuff that's here too. So these are worth having a look at what the content is and what's there, because there's over 150 different courses and materials that are out there. So lots of stuff if you're just looking for things to get started. And let me know if you need anything. Okay.